Sweet, salty, and festive, this Easter snack mix is pastel perfection. Loaded with the holiday's greatest hits, it's everything delicious about Easter all in one bowl. Recipe creator Maegan Brown joining me through the screen this afternoon. Hi Maegan, so great to have you along here with us.
Hi there, thanks for having me.
I'm excited for this. I had a chance to take a peek at your Instagram to see how you're mixing this all up. So get us started. Tell us about this fun Easter recipe.
Absolutely, it is so festive and so fun, perfect for Easter parties, spring parties, everyone loves it. Such a fun mix to make as a family and just to put out and serve for everyone to enjoy.
All right, so walk us through this, and you talked a little bit about the texture of this mix, and that's really what makes it so special, why you want to roll it out for Easter.
Oh yes, there's a little bit of salt and sweet, there's crunchy and chewy, it's just everything in one mix so you can munch on it and truly enjoy a little bit of chocolate, pretzels, cereal, peanuts, a little bit of everything, and then lots of festive Easter goodies to bring it to life.
That sounds all great. I'll take one of each. All right, so you've got it all kind of curated out there. You've got the lineup of ingredients. Tell us what you're going to be putting in that bowl.
Absolutely. So we're going to start with our rice check cereal and our pretzel snacks and our peanuts. So these three ingredients are going to get coated in a melted candy coating that will really bind the mix together. So this is the base of the mix. Once you coat it in this melted candy coating, as you can see, I went ahead and melted that in the microwave, and it will set around each of these ingredients and just really bind them together along with all the goodies that we're going to put on top of them. So you stir that together until it's completely coated. So the pretzels and the cereal and the peanuts will be completely coated in this candy coating. And that is when you'll lay it out onto a sheet pan and coat it in all of your Easter goodies.
All right, do you let the kids help you in the kitchen with this? Because this looks like
oh
a
my
fun...
goodness, yes. These are my favorite recipes to make with the kids because it's so easy and so fun for them to participate in. They can measure ingredients out, they can stir, they can sprinkle. There's so much activity and it's super quick and easy, which is perfect for the little ones.
Yeah, so where are you finding all of those festive ingredients? I see them, you know, right there on the counter. Where do you find all of that?
It's a one-stop shop for me at Target. Every year they carry these fun seasonal ingredients. And so I will go and stock up and get it all there. But you can find them at most major grocery stores too. But the more specific festive ingredients like the Mother's Springtime Buddies cookies and the Bunny marshmallows are usually only found at Target, maybe online on Amazon or Walmart if you check your area.
So in total time, how long would you say this takes?
Oh, less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes.
This mix will set super quick with the candy coating. That's why I use the candy coating. And then that's why you got to move really fast. And once I pour this out onto the sheet pan, I'm going to start coating it in the sprinkles and the M&Ms super fast because I want those to stick really nicely to the wet mixture. And then within minutes, as I'm topping everything else on the mix, it will start to harden and clump together, and that's when you'll be able to break it apart, and it'll all be in little chunks of perfect little mixture of snack mix in each bite.
Chunks of goodness and sweetness. It's really cute.
For sure, sweet goodness.
Yeah, and then how are you storing these? I saw on your Instagram like the cute little containers that you put them in, but you make it look so cute.
Aren't they so cute? I find these also at Target or on Amazon. These have little bunny ears. Or you can just store them in a classic clear jar on the kitchen counter. We keep a seasonal mix on our kitchen counter year-round, depending on the holiday. So for everyone to go and snack on. And or you can bag it up in little baggies, perfect to give out as gifts to neighbors or friends or as party favors. So it really can be, as long as it's stored in an airtight container or bag, they will stay fresh for a few weeks.
Wow, that's so gorgeous. I love all the pastels there. Okay, before we say goodbye to you, though, we want to gush about your beautiful cookbook lineup. Tell me about them. What's the latest one that you've got there for us?
Oh, goodness. Brilliant Bites is the latest book, baby. And before that, I had Spectacular Spreads and Beautiful Boards. And so it's just a perfect collection for those who love to entertain with ease. So many great recipes, so many fun, creative recipes to make for the holidays or just everyday enjoyment.
Yeah, and I just love the boards that you customize. Any fun ones that you have in mind for Easter or any of the upcoming holidays that you really like to go to?
Absolutely. For Easter, I mean, I always go with the bunny-shaped board. This year, I am going to make a breakfast board shaped like a cross, which I thought would be really fun to wake up to on Easter morning. And then I'd make an Easter egg-shaped fruit pizza for dessert after our Easter brunch, which is always just so simple yet so festive, and everybody oohs and ahs over all three of those.
Oh, you add such a beautiful personal touch. So thanks so much. And where can folks find out more about your boards, your cookbooks, and this dish that you've created for us today, Maegan?
Absolutely. You can head to the BakerMama.com, which has all of my recipes, as well as links to the cookbook, my board business, and all of my social accounts like Instagram at the BakerMama, TikTok, Facebook, where I'm everywhere.
Hey, you got us covered, so thanks so much.
Yeah.